term that they have proposed, you know.
Yes.
And I'm person me can
was say you can't ni FIFA and the aba.
Say
3 terms.
Say compulsory say as will be almost No, that's not what CAF and FIFA said. CAF and FIFA say instead of say strict say 2 years, no. 2 terms.
2 terms.
Ubetimi akwa up to 3 terms. But anya compulsory so be akwa up to 3 terms. Na buzapanyi ewie me wasem kan ho pa nti de opa akoda so bra because me wasem kan.
Because na me bisa na say e basa Congress anyi antumo wo say ade bi wo ye mandatory.
How can it be mandatory? Say ya na Yoweri Museveni e ba say on tiase so obi atra so 5 years e won man on tiase.
Watch.
Young man kwan he's getting to 50 years on the throne as a president. Otio. It is me kwa ma me nkona me ni abre pa buzapanyi.
Nya betre.
Maka just afi pempen no ya besi ni pain. Pempen ya besi ni pain. Abuzapanyi.
And you pay mama na me.
Mama ka samcho. Mama ka samcho. Ai nana ya nya adwuma kakra. Hwe. Unim say this president akonwa nkofo hoahoa na akono wiase na so pie the American president.
Yes.
Unim say the opportunity to go 2 terms or 4 years and one. The American presidency 2 years, 4 years of 2 terms.
Yeah.
So if the people decide to take you for the 2 terms now, you have a maximum of being a president for 8 years.
Yes. Oh yes, sura bofu, oh yes, oh yeah, wanyo.
Ghana mampanyini, Ghana, your presidency, you know. John Kofi dia work for okwasai
2 terms
of 4 years each.
Sure.
8 years. Yaba democratic rule, no. Junior Jesus, Jerry John Rawlings, okwasai.
The late 2 terms.
Now,
at
the end football forum, they cannot implement it in 8 years. In fact, they can't teach a crowd there. As a 1 year crown was sorry,
what's you do on our own pen and what to abate.
So, what they would next propose is say, Yanyan 4 terms, Yanyan 5 terms,
every 4 terms of 10 years.
So, it's a term bien so as many times as Nipadiama to Amano. Based on the all kind of say, given the time they will do that. Sure. But I was saying there were specific reasons in there. And maybe I come brought the Americans and the Swiss police and was a FIFA for the Omodi football bokrono. Ya mo boro akocheche Jack Blaze amoni ade no. I was saying unim say FIFA for na to get a good name. Na ni papa omasem no. And omode ba say kra no. Omode ya ba say ukọ 2 terms, a BI 4 years as FIFA president. And then people want to entrench themselves in power. People want to still stay in power, so you want to change it. Oh, person you can say, and they call 3 terms or 4 years. Now you're dying. Me say a dear will be person or yeah as a GFA president. On to be 8 years, I just only 12 years. But somebody should tell me. Because your Okromana Benkofi Elanche a 5-year development plan of Japan. A swaba me ko welcome me wa.
Yes.
E titi ade no bi so on your person obey or your first president or person here. But 2 terms of 4 years each, you know, a swadodo and judges a call 3 terms of 4 years. Na your maximum of 12. E dia somebody should tell me. Sure, okay, some maybe His Excellency John Kofi Diawoku for Ebra. Atamils, John Evans Atamils, Excellency. Ewini Abana President Kufo hand over in Kufo hand over 2008 no. Sa inaugural speech of President Mills no. President Kufo say wabedi president ribi. E kabaya nko be propose say Ghana ye 4 years no. Yenye 5 years. Ni remaining 2 terms na. Oko tio wantiso and this cat what is so President Kufo said this when he was leaving power, not when he was in power. Bia and keto first one man here to second one no maybe your proposal be better obi and no crowd Kufo say yeah
banya ket no make proposal we a status committee
and you know status committee no omo nem ket it's the baby am fa no kronia wum no so what say CEO bi e baby no propose say I what committee say oh retire ye ma cast 5 na yinsi diamond sama ba ko nkra ba ko kuma ba ko kura ba bia ofiri na onimu hwe abusa pani mesi obi nka che ya de kura o person the 8 years ya untimi nye. You see, when you talk, you must talk with empirical evidence. No one catches the normal football plan. It take a minimum of maybe 10 years and sana swaba. It is one year na madansu 8 years na say ye dansu free on Pepe ba. Na Pepe and for the chrono so a enyan swaba nti obese no. And because in football every plan be baby just after 10 years of swaba nti no. We expect say ye be man dey na 12 year period so that obi lancha dia e betumatra abuza banya za. Anya za.
Yeah.
Now, me say Ghana mampanyin, Ghana, the people who drafted the 1992 constitution, sabi, no money nyansa muka say, yanko 2 terms of 4 years no. America mampanyin, omuni nyansa muso moko 2 years of 2 terms of 4 years no. And then a football for no they always want to entrench themselves in power. They be up so much kunya so. Meanwhile, no, omunya the papa bia obonum. Abuzapanyo okay before Sablata ebe FIFA president. Who's Jean Havelange.
Yeah.
And eja hoko na Sablata bai. Na kwa checking view do ura no di. Okay. The last CAF president before Ahmad.
Isaiah.
Wouldn't say papa duru be na nante ye ko or co stadium a obafo say onu say say ke ko ball bibi o Wembley Wembley just off foot and dan go timi ko hoda e dia na isa ha tu e peso ya busa pani wantimi anya no peso tra so akoji say omko sa palace school na so mutu no e ho nya e say 4 me ko say ke teso ba 4 years no uwi a wa wie sore ko no obi mra abusa pani me say opa take the history of Ghana football. Ebrana Ghana by and appointed GFA president. Who's gonna be the 6 months? Maybe we 6 months. 1 year, 2 years. Watch up. I'm supposed to have an Jim Kruan.
Yeah, first had time no.
Why you be here because an appointment from the presidency. It one you be here pamu. And then obisi I media football people now go to Bani Yime and what turn at the open over here. Obia kan was menye because enipa bi o me be 126 wo mo na ball yo mo dia wan ka cho me say football it goes beyond those people and until na mo koye mo ball na just am ka che wiase nyina no because wiase ana mo ye ball na edemo mo e so panyi me say na we dia na ha dwene say you will not get people on congress say proposal mo go congress you will not get the people who call themselves football people to oppose this, but this should be shut down. Yeah Ghana yeah constitutional review. So proposal and by saying Kenya constitutional amendment ebia yebema president no akọ 5 years no and also be 3 times it was shut down. But omko congress now the same people no football people no and be jatum mandatory from why
congress no kran jimi ntungu
mandatory from why
was FIFA and CAF.
Almost ya anya on be ye free be FIFA member.
Akoma FM 87.
What you na so di football e chimi di akire. What is FIFA for other publish say wo wan ko 4 years of 3 terms no.
Yeah ma
onye football bi e be che o membership as a FIFA member free them. Abuja panyi so mo pekwa they will entrain themselves into power and that is what they want to do. Pain.
What's in the pain? Richardo Pepe Suarez still live on Akoma 87.9